So the question is, can our economy recover? What happens when we go back to school and go back to work?
I think there's a few things to keep in mind. Some of these people that are coming out to a situation where they don't have a job. So even
Yeah,
though now
exactly.
they're going to be able to go out and go to the parks and enjoy themselves, they're not going to have a job. So it's going to be, where are they going to find a job? Who's going to be willing to take the risk to hire? Because there's so few companies right now that are actually making a profit, or even breaking even. Let's just forget a profit. Let's just say breaking even
Right.
over this time period. I know there's a few things that will happen on the short term. Is, well, interest rates are going to be low. The Fed's going to pump money. Because ultimately, at the end of the day, the thing that's been pushing this economy more than anything is low unemployment. That's the driver of our economy. Is people are working, have low unemployment, and we have the highest stock market in the history of the world. We've never
Right.
seen anything like that. The positive of this, but it doesn't happen right away, is that you're going to have this resurgence of Buy America. You're going to have this resurgence of Made in America, and I think this time it's really going to stick. President Trump has talked about this a lot, but
Right.
I think right now, for most people that haven't through anything like this, we really are starting to appreciate where we live in our country. And I think this is going to be a positive for local businesses in the long term, in terms of manufacturing, in terms of hospitality. I think those things are going to boom. So I think for the next year, once things open up, we're going to see a lot of local travel. I think a lot of people are going to hunker down here in the US. And I think that can help us kind of ride things out.